Hello everyone, let me show you today how you can look all of the passwords and accounts that you have saved inside of your Google account. This is something really easy to do. You can do it with your cell phone, but I recommend you guys to do it in front of a PC, but you can do it both ways. Now you want to open the Chrome web browser that you use and that you have to log in into your account of Google. From here you want to click into the icon where is your Google account and go into manage your Google account. When this new window is open, you want to go to the left side where you see security and click on it. When the security tab is open, you want to scroll all the way down, and this you're going to see this option right here of signing in other sites. You want to click into Password Manager. In here you're going to see all the websites and applications that you have saved your login information, your username and password. So you want to click into any of them. Now this is going to ask you to enter your Google account password to verify that it's you. Now click into next. And in here you're going to see the email account or username that you're using for that account, and of course the password. The password is blurred, but if you want to see it, you want to click right here into the eye to be able to see it. I'm going to blur it for you guys, and this is the way that you can check all the user accounts that you have saved into your Google account. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.